Hello, class 7th. Welcome to the General Knowledge class of class 7th. Today, we will do the chapter number 29, that is, Preserved Body Parts of the Famous Personalities. Let us discuss the terms that we are going to study in this topic. Geologist, a person who studies about Earth and its features. Pathologist, a person who studies about body tissues, health and medical problems, and uses laboratory tests to monitor the health of a patient. Ethnologist, a person who studies about different societies and cultures. Astronomy, the scientific study of a universe as a whole and of objects that exist naturally in space, such as the stars, the sun, the moon, etc. Around the world, we have some famous personalities whose body parts have been preserved after their death for the sake of scientific or historical importance. Their preserved body parts are kept in the museums. Let's read and understand more about these famous personalities. Students, guess the picture. Yes, it's the picture of Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein is regarded as the father of modern physics. He received the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1921. He was award-winning physicist who gave the theory of photoelectric effect to the world. Einstein did not want his brain or any body part to be studied or examined. On April 18, 1955, he died in Princeton Hospital. The pathologist of the hospital, Thomas Harvey, took away the brain of the Einstein without the permission of his family members. Because Einstein was extraordinarily intelligent with an IQ of 160, and Thomas Harvey wanted to examine the brain of Einstein for being a genius. Now his brain is preserved in a museum. Next one is Galileo Galilei. Galileo Galilei is regarded as the father of modern astronomy. He was under house arrest during his last years of life due to his belief that the sun is the center of universe, not the earth. Galileo died after suffering from a fever and heart palpitations on January 8, 1642, near Florence, Italy, but he was reburied in the main body of the basilica in 1737. During this move, three fingers and one tooth were removed from his remains by Anton Francisco Gori. Today, his finger is on display at the museum called Museo di Storia della Scienza in Italy. Lazzaro Spallanzani, he was an Italian Catholic biologist and physiologist who made important contributions to the experimental study of the bodily functions, animal reproduction, and the animal body parts. He is a biologist who suggested that microbes move through the air and then could be killed through boiling. His bladder was most useful part to be preserved since he died from bladder cancer. His bladder remains on the public display in a museum in Pavia, Italy. Os Rizal's execution sparked the revolution of his homeland, Spanish colonial Philippines, in 1896. Like Mahatma Gandhi, he advocated nonviolence to get Philippines freedom from the Spanish rule. He was executed by the Spanish authorities that brought about the Philippines Revolution. He was buried in the non blessed grounds in an unmarked burial site, but about 17 years after his death, his body was taken out and his vertebra, which was hit by the single bullet when he was executed, was removed from his body and now displayed at the Rizal Museum in the Fort Santiago, Manila. This is a picture of the John Wesley Powell. John Wesley Powell was the American explorer, geologist, and ethnologist best known for his exploration of the upper portion of the Colorado River and the Grand Canyon. During the post Civil War, the major who lost an arm in the Second American Civil War. His brain is on display in a vat at the Smithsonian Institution, the world's largest museum in Washington, D.C. Now, let us discuss some cross questions related to this topic. Number 1. Who is regarded as the father of modern physics? Number 2. Which part of Albert Einstein's body is preserved in the museum for display? Number 3. Who is regarded as the father of the modern astronomy? Number 4. Name one famous Italian biologist. Number 5. Who advocated non-violence to get Philippines freedom from Spanish rule? And number 6. Name the geologist who was famous for his exploration of the river Colorado. So students, this is the end of the today's topic. I hope you understood the topic. You will revise all the cross questions and you will solve the exercises by yourself. You can explore more about these famous personalities from Google. Students, I will come with the next video of GK. Till then, be safe at home. Thank you. Have a nice day.